Welcome to this series of tutorials, which explain how a user can carry out a pre-enrollment for the following services: visa application, consular card application, ordinary laissez-passer application, mortuary laissez-passer application. This simulator, in its second version, makes it possible to carry out practical training, to train staff within diplomatic representations, and to inform users about the different steps to follow. The simulator is available at the following address: https://apps diplocam.cm/evisa simulator. The topics covered in this series are: 1. The creation of the user account. 2. The request for a consular service. 3. The obtaining of the proof of payment, which, let us recall, is not a document authorizing travel, but simply a confirmation that the payment has been accepted. After this brief presentation of the topics, let us now move on to the next step: downloading the simulator. See you shortly to discover the functioning of the simulator before dealing with the different steps in detail. Simulator installation step. This step will guide you through the process of installing our simulator. 1. Enter the link in the address bar of your web browser. In this example, we are using Mozilla Firefox, but you may also choose Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. 2. Once the page is displayed, click the download button to start the process. 3. After the download is complete, open the setup file and carefully follow. Once the download of our simulator is complete, let's move on to the installation. Before confirming each step, we recommend carefully reading the information displayed. The installation is straightforward. Simply click Next until the Finish button appears, indicating that the installation has been successfully completed. At this stage, the application will launch automatically, and the welcome screen will appear. If it does not start on its own, you can open the simulator from the shortcut created on your desktop. Otherwise, go to the Start menu and search for eVisa Simulator. In the next section, we will walk you through the features of the simulator. Please note that the simulator does not require an internet connection to run, and all stored data is kept locally on your computer and is fully encrypted. See you soon! Presentation of the simulator's welcome interface. As you can see, version 2.9.5 of this interface has been carefully designed to mirror the one available in production. The simulator is multilingual, supporting both French and English, as you can observe. Regarding the menu, it has been refined to meet programming and UI standards. It includes the following: frequently asked questions. Services offered by the simulator include visa applications, consular card applications, laissez-passer applications, and mortuary laissez-passer applications. Register, which allows you to create an eVisa account. Once created, you will have access to a dashboard. Login, which allows you to authenticate and be recognized by the platform. Once logged in, this option is replaced by the user's first name, with the possibility to log out after completing the pre-enrollment. Languages. Currently, only French and English are available. We will pause here before moving on to the main subject. See you shortly.